So hello guys, we will be making our spam sushi in just 4 minutes. So you can just use any canned uh, luncheon meat or spam preferably. Cut them into slice them into flat sizes, then deep fry them. After that, you have to cut them into strips, just like here. Okay, and be sure to be small bite sizes. Then beat 3 eggs, and then we'll scramble it later. And be sure not to have your scrambled egg look like a hot cake. So don't fry them all together. Just fry the first a few drops of them, then put in the middle the other half of the beaten eggs. So here is our scrambled egg. Okay, then let's go to plating. So use a sushi wrap. You can buy them in grocery stores, supermarkets. They're seaweed based. You can uh, buy them in Japanese or Korean stores section in supermarkets. So here we're putting our spam strips, then the scrambled egg, and even though you don't have our sushi roller or paper roller, I think it's you can actually just roll it our rice, eggs, and our spam. Then after that, be sure it's really tight. You can cut them into bite-sized sushi or sushi size bite sizes. Then here you go. This is what it looks. You can have your favorite ketchup or sweet and sour sauce for plating, and probably add some parsley or green things on the side to make it look yummier. And then you have it. There you have it, our spam sushi in just 4 minutes. Hope you liked it. Thank you guys.